Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Granit 11 80 to 200mm f4.5. Something you might have not realized yet is that Soviet zooms are quite rare. In fact, only a few of them were ever produced, and the Granit 11 we are looking at today is one of them. Manufactured from 1978 in the KMZ and Arsenal plants, it went through at least a couple different iterations, until the 90s when it took the name of MC Zoom Arsat. Older models don't have a letter after the number 11, but after a while they added the letter to indicate the mount, and just like on the Jupiter 21, the letter M indicates the M42 mount. The lens is made out of metal with rubberized focus and zoom rings. It weighs 780 grams, it is 157mm long when focused to infinity, and 175mm when fully extended, with a 58mm front thread. The Aries has 6 blades, the aperture is clicked and it goes from f4.5 to f22 with half steps. The zoom ring turns 90 degrees and zoom happens internally. The focusing ring is textured and it turns 300 degrees and minimum focusing distance is 1.5 meters. When focusing, the front element turns as well. Flange distance for the M42 mount is 45.46 millimeters. Sharpness is inconsistent. Between 80 and more or less 180mm it is really good even wide open, but at 200mm it gets really soft, especially when shooting indoors or close-up subjects. Chromatic aberration is present and can be distracting at times, but colors are pleasant and vibrant. Maybe not the most true to life, but with somewhat of a cinematic vibe. Specular highlights have hard edges and backgrounds can look a little bit busy at times. There is also a hint of swirliness. Flares are mostly well controlled and have an interesting look, but ghosting is definitely a problem every time you shoot in the general direction of the sun. And now let me show you some samples. At the end of the day, the Granit 11 is odd. For most of the focal range, it is very sharp, but it loses everything just at the last bit. And just to be clear, I had it checked by the people who repair my lenses, and they couldn't find anything wrong with it. Apart from that, it is a good lens. Sure, big and heavy, but not enough to be uncomfortable to carry around, and colors are quite interesting. Am I gonna keep it? No, but it was worth trying. Let me know if you've had any experiences with Soviet zooms, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!